All right, today we're going to draw the latch plate, and it is very simple on AutoCAD. So we're going to start by drawing a line 6 and 5/16, and we know that this center line is 9/16 away. This center line is 3 inches away from that, and 9/16 again. So let's start by drawing that. We're going to draw a line, object layer, turn ortho on, 6-5/16, enter, and we're going to offset by 9/16. And we're going to offset again 3 inches. And offset again 9/16. I did something wrong. Let's draw a line from here up, and we're going to draw a line back here. We'll draw us a line here in the center to work from, and we're going to make this one, and this one all into center lines. Okay, let's go back to drawing. We have a 5/8 inch on each side there, so let's do that next. Offset place. I don't want to make those into construction lines because I know they're not going all the way through right now. But I can trim up here on the front. Let's use fillet in a different way today. We know that those corners have a 9/16 radius. So we're going to use fillet and choose radius 9/16. And I'm going to click this line and that line and go back to it, this line and that line. Okay, now we will have a center point to put our drill holes. So we can, those are 1/2 inch drill holes. So let's draw those. 1/2 inch diameter. Okay, another way we're going to shortcut today, it tells us that those holes are 3.5 inches apart. So I am going to copy this and this, and wait till I see the ortho on the screen here, and they're 3.5 inches, and there they are. Now then, let's go back to our drawing here. All right, it tells us starting at in line with this circle, we have a 15-degree angle. So let's start right there. I'm going to draw a line just for a reference to here. And I'm going to draw a line starting here, turn ortho off so this will work correctly. I don't know how long this is, so let's do it. 2, shift that 2 at an angle of 15. Okay, it tells us that stops at a vertical distance of 1 and horizontal distance of 1 5/8. So let's offset, or we could actually just move. Let's do move instead. Let's move this, turn ortho on. All right, we're gonna have to get it where it's saying ortho 1.625, and at that point we have that's 135, so this would be a 45-degree angle. So from here, I'm gonna draw it too long. At one at an angle of 45. Okay, now I don't need this anymore, and I can trim. Okay. It tells us that we have a 15/16 space here. So let's do that. Let's offset by 15/16. Let me tell you what, I started off by drawing this entire thing. Let me go ahead and I'm going to trim here. And just delete the top. Well, I'm not going to do that. Escape. Let's offset 15/16. It also tells us that this space is 1 5/8, which is 13/16. So from the center, we'll offset 13/16. Okay, we're going to use fillet. All right, let's find out our angle, our radius, or a 1/4 inch radius. Before we do that, let's change this this one into object mode. Use fillet, radius 0.25. This line, and that line. Okay. Okay. 3 5/16 from the back. We have a 7/16 radius. Offset 3-5/16. And what was our radius again? 7/16. So we can go 7/16. Let's just do a radius circle. Okay, we're going to do some trimming so I don't get confused. All right, let's trim. That line all the way up to here. Okay. We need that center point at the top now. So I'm going to mirror this. Do that again. Mirror this object on our center line. And we need a radius of 2 1/16. So I'm going to start from our center, 2-1/16. All right, now I can trim. Delete. Turn this into an object line. And we'll use a break it point rather than draw this again. And delete this. All right, let's go on and do some fine tuning on this. Let's go ahead and put our center marks on our circles. Hello. All right, back to this. I'm going to just delete this line and draw it as a line between those objects, between here and here. And I should be able now to mirror this from this point. And no, I do not want to erase. And that completes figure 293 latch plate.